Hey, welcome back to Trading Psychology. I'm T2, and today we're talking about something every trader hates but needs to understand: the loss trap, and why you can't let go of losing trades. Picture this. You open your trading platform, and there it is, a trade that's bleeding money. You tell yourself it's gonna turn around, but your gut screams otherwise. Yet, for some reason, you can't hit exit. Why is that? Why do we keep hoping, waiting, and losing more than we planned? If you've ever been trapped in a losing trade, stick around because this is going to change the way you see your account. Humans hate losing more than we love winning. Losing $100 hurts more than winning $100 feels good. That fear of realizing a loss keeps us glued to a trade. Traders convince themselves, it'll come back. I just need to wait a little longer. That hope keeps them trapped while the market moves on. Then there's the sunk cost problem. You've already invested money, time, emotion. Exiting feels like giving up on that investment. But here's the truth: your past losses don't matter. Only your next decision does. And ego plays a role too. Admitting a loss feels like failure, but in reality, cutting losses fast is one of the smartest moves you can make as a trader. Here's a fact that might shock you. Even experienced traders hold losing positions 3 to 4 times longer than profitable ones. Most losses could have been cut sooner, saving thousands over time. Let me make this real. Imagine a trader named Sarah. She buys the stock at $50. The stock drops to $45. She tells herself it'll bounce back. Days go by, it drops to $40, then $35. Sarah keeps holding, convinced it will recover. By the time she sells, her $50 investment has turned into $35. A 30% loss she could have limited to 10% if she stuck to a plan. Or take Alex, who trades Forex. He doubles down on a losing position, thinking it'll average out. But instead, he loses not just the initial trade, but the extra funds he put in. That's the loss trap in action. Hope, ego, and fear all conspiring against him.
Now ask yourself, how many trades have you held too long? And how much did that cost you? If you're honest, probably more than you think. Here's how to know if you're caught in a loss trap. Constantly refreshing your trading app, obsessing over every tick, endlessly justifying the trade to yourself, averaging down instead of cutting losses, and feeling anxious or frustrated instead of calm and focused. If any of that hits home, don't worry, you can fix it. So, how do you escape it and protect your capital? First, set strict stop-loss rules. Decide your exit before entering the trade. Treat it like a contract with yourself, no exceptions. Practice mental detachment. See trades as experiments. The market doesn't care about your feelings, it only reacts to price. Journal your trades. Writing down your reasoning, emotions, and results forces you to confront mistakes and actually learn from them. Accepting losses as part of the game. Even elite traders lose. What separates winners is cutting losses fast and letting winners run. Practice automating your exits if needed. Stop losses and alerts reduce emotional decision-making. And review your trades regularly. Ask yourself, which trades were held too long, which exited too early? Awareness is key.
Here's the brutal truth. Every minute you cling to a losing trade, your potential recovery diminishes. Your money isn't stubborn. It won't magically bounce back because you wish it to. Letting go is not failure, it's strategy. And to really retrain your brain, try visualizing the outcome before entering a trade, imagining both winning and losing scenarios. Accept losses mentally. It makes acting in reality easier. Delay emotional decisions for 10 to 15 minutes to let your urgency fade. Gamify your trading. Track wins, losses, and discipline, and reward yourself for sticking to the plan, not just profits. Focus on process, not outcome. If your system is solid, losses are just data. Profit follows naturally. I want to pause here and ask you something unique. If this video has made you rethink how you handle losing trades, smash that like button in a way that scares your past mistakes away. And if you're ready to take your trading psychology to the next level, drop a comment with the worst loss you've ever held too long. Let's see who's been through the fire and survived. Remember, losing trades will always happen. The difference between amateurs and consistent traders isn't that they never lose, it's that they cut losses fast, control risk, and stick to their plan. The best traders in the world lose all the time. They protect their capital, follow rules, and move on. Every trade is a new opportunity. Your focus should be on what's next, not what's gone. Before we finish, if you're serious about taking control of your trades, hit subscribe in a way that tells your account you mean business. Turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that could save your hard-earned capital. So, cut your losses, control your emotions, and let your winners run. That's how you trade like a pro. I'm T2, and this is Trading Psychology. I'll see you in the next one.